Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I have Google Pixel 10 Pro and now I'm gonna show you how to use a 100x super red zoom on this device. So at the very beginning we should open camera application and now just make sure you are in the standard photo mode, not in the portrait mode. As you can see here we have different zoom options, but in standard photo mode. And now look at the bottom zoom options. Here we have these several zoom options. As you can see we have 0.5, 2x, 5x and 10x zoom options. But as you press and hold it, and you can just continue to zoom, you eventually see the number increase. And as you can see, all the way up to the left, you have 100x zoom. The phone will use a combination of its optical and digital zoom along with machine learning to give you a sharp and clean image. So in this mode, just be sure you hold your phone steady as possible to get the best result. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. So bye. See you.